So Heather, has your team struggled with resources? And if so, how do you keep the recognition program running?
Yes, the budget question. So we're a not-for-profit healthcare organization. So yes, there's usually never enough resources and dollars to go around. In fact, about a handful of years ago, we used to have an entire FTE or individual who was dedicated to running our recognition programs. Unfortunately, that was a position we had to eliminate because of expense reductions. So it forced us to have to get creative. And we look to do that in frankly a number of ways. First was all around education. We found that we wanted to make sure that our leaders and our employees really understood our recognition program and how to use the platform. So we spent a lot of time working on FAQs, other resources to help our workforce understand and leverage the tools and the programs that were part of UH Appreciates. That also helped to just frankly reduce the number of questions that were coming to us. If they better understand the platform and how to use it, then they're less likely to have to tap somebody on the shoulder or pick up the phone and call and ask for help. So we wanted to empower them. We have a fantastic HR portal, and so we started leveraging that, putting materials out there, putting toolkits, helping our leaders become better recognizers, giving them examples of how to do that and how to maximize the platform to help them do that. Then we also looked at the platform itself and said, how can we automate things? What are features in the platform that will allow us to reduce our reliance on people to get things done? And this required things like looking at the data that we send to Inspirus on our files and making sure that all of the information that we should be sending is sent. We looked at how do we do budgeting? So we used to have to go through a budgeting exercise multiple times a year. Now we do it once a year. We're done, we set it, and it runs, and it's beautiful. And we don't have to touch it, and our colleagues at Inspirus don't have to touch it either unless we want to make a change. I think probably one of the most impactful things, however, that the platform allows us to do that historically we were not able to do is automate reminders within the platform. This happens on a regular basis without anybody touching anything. It reminds our leaders and our employees that they have points to spend every month. And if they haven't spent them yet, they get a nice little gentle reminder and a nudge. Hey, you've got points to spend. Please go out and use them. This has really improved utilization of many of the programs in our platform just by a simple automation. And last but not least, I want to give a lot of credit to Inspirus because we're also leaning on them and their customer support team. They are the experts in the platform that they are delivering to us every day. And we're encouraging our employees and our managers, if they need help, pick up the phone and call. Inspirus customer service is there and ready to take the phone calls and wants to take the phone calls. So please, by all means, if you need help, just ask. It's only a phone call away. So those are some of the examples and ways in which we had to get creative with the resources that we have. And we're going to continue to partner with Inspirus to find more ways in which we can leverage the platform, automate things, and make the experience user-friendly and easy.